One positive way of enhancing adhesion is to increase their surface polarities. And what is the easiest way to do that is to use either what are called air plasmas, flame plasmas, or chemical plasmas, which are inline processes that can be applied to keep not only production rates high, but also to affect high polarity and other types of functional characteristics of the surface that will improve wettability and adhesion of those substrates. Now, I need to define each of these for you so you understand what they're about. In air plasma specifically, and the terminology is loosely used in the industry, but it is essentially bringing in voltage, high voltage, to ionize air, and ionizing air becomes the integral part of what an air plasma does to the surface. It essentially, as you can see in this gap here, we're talking about a discharge, a filamentary discharge, that essentially is a buildup of electrical charge that makes its path through a dielectric, and that dielectric usually is, again, the air, into either a part or a grounded plane, or even a roll. And what that does is it enables the surface of the material, as it passes through those electrodes, or at least in front of one electrode, to be affected electrically and ultimately then brought to a surface tension level that is acceptable to another interface. Now, that depends upon the type of material that's being treated, and it depends upon the type of chemistry that might be required, or surface characteristics that might be required for that other adherent. And so we have to talk about all those dynamics